Hi, nice to see you again. It's Quilting Nerd here, and today we will talk about lazy swirls. I call them lazy because they are nice and relaxed. There are no sharp points. They are just nice turns and round shapes, and they look like cinnamon rolls, so that's also another thing that I like about them. We start with a nice round shape. We swirl in, so we reduce the radius. And instead of making a sharp point, we just make a nice round turn. And with echo line, we go around. If we want to change the direction, we have to turn back. But we are turning back. We are not making this sharp point at the end. We are just making a nice turn. We keep the radius nice and large, with enough space to get out between the lines. And it's again, everything it's nice and round, very relaxed, kind of lazy. I'm not rushing here, as you can see. And most of it's echoes and turning around and starting the next round shape. We are going in, and with nice round turn, we are getting out of it. At the end of the video, I put a nice. I put a drawing. My drawing is not as good as my quilting, and that's why my quilting is such a surprise for me, because I was never able to draw in a nice way. I am very bad at drawing, but quilting, it's something else. So I'm sorry for the quality of my drawing, but there you can see again very nicely how this whole schematics looks like. So you can use it to make a drawing on your own and simply understand the movement. But most of it's just straightforward. You just go round in, make a spiral shape, and with a nice turn you get out of the spiral out. Now I will echo the previous swirl, creating this elongated shape just to fill the space immediately as I go, and then I will echo the latest swirl and just keep going. Remember, if you want to change the direction, you just have to make this swirl back and the shape back and forth, and then start the next swirl. And like that, you can cover the whole space that you have available. You can make it smaller for denser texture. You can make it very large and not as dense, and it will make for a nice and wonderful all over pattern for larger quilts. So it's ideal if you want to have your quilt finished in a fast way and you just want to have the layers kept together with a nice all over pattern, but you are not looking for anything fancy. So this pattern will give you wonderful texture on a fabric that is heavily patterned. So there you will not see the quilting pattern anyway in a good strong way. So then you can use this pattern. Or you can also use it on solid fabric if you want to have this a bit more abstract kind of swirls. So try it, watch video to the end. If you like it, let me know. If you like it very much and you want to see more, subscribe. And I hope to see you during the next video. Enjoy the quilting!